Yep.
Holy shit, look at. What the fuck?
Live Doppler radar. And I'm going to indicate this based on, we've actually the possibility of a tornado now in downtown Springfield. If we can get some, turn left. There it is.
Oh my god!
Looking live. If you're in downtown Springfield, it appears right now a tornado is on the ground.
Holy crap!
On the ground by a live Doppler radar. And, excuse me, this is live pictures. We're looking at live pictures. We're looking at West
That's
Springfield.
insane.
It does not appear to be severe, but there's rotation on the ground. Dave, what else do you have for us?
Right now, that's just going towards West Springfield.
Okay.
Going towards West Springfield.
Okay.
Sorry.
Tree right there.
Right there.
We stopped at that light. Stopped at that light. Right where people and stuff over here. I was watching those come down. And that's
Go.
that fell on top
That's the. That's when I fell on top of her roof.
Yeah. There's some poles I watched fall down. This is where it started.
You're a good storyteller, Mom. You poor thing. I would have been like peed my pants.
Oh my gosh. Nathan and Wilson.
Isn't that where you used to park? No work for you.
Careful here. That's where I parked.
Right there?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Look at the school.
That's a school?
It was a school. It was the Nettie School.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, look at the cars there. Oh my goodness, huh?
I had a feeling they weren't.
All the windows are just torn out. This is West Springfield?
This is West Springfield. Poles I watched.
The poles
go
she
down.
watched go down. I would pee my pants. Oh, cute.